My wonderful people, how una dey? How una dey? You see, my kid, they decided to do the airdrop today, and they are so excited, so excited. At times, we need to be giving kids a chance to do, as in to practice the handwork that we parents are doing. You see now, I said I should remove the noise, because if I didn't remove the background noise, hey, you will not even hear something. You will not even hear anything at all, because as they are shouting, in fact, just continue watching, watch the way they are doing it. At the end of everything, try to rate them at the comment section, give them comment, and also share the video, so that there are some kids outside there that they wanted to be doing something like this. When they see this video, they'll be motivated. See my colleagues, see what they are doing. In fact, some kids can't face audience, I'm telling you. But by doing this to them, you will see they will have the courage to do it, to face the audience. Yes. Guys, hope you are seeing it. The front, they use rubber band to band the front. Yes. So she wanted to pin that place. They've pinned it. See? So they are showing you how the back is. Now she wants to pin the front. Alright, guys. Please share the video. Share the video. Yeah. Because some kids can't even face camera like this. They will be shy. So they've pinned the other side, and they wanted to pin this place. She have pinned that place already. Look at the look at this. Look at them at it together. So guys, they are done. See, in fact, they are very excited.
Please share the video.
So guys, they are saying you should help them share this video. Please share, comment and like. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.